Good afternoon. Welcome to GrainTV. It's December 23rd. I'm Kevin McNew. To my left, Cody Bills. We had a mixed day of trading. Soybeans off on a penny-and-a-quarter change, while corn and wheat were higher, with wheat in particular posting a 10-cent advance. Cody, we've been down the last few days. Today we recover a little bit. Sign of a recovery altogether?
No, I don't think so. I think what we saw here is a little bit of a bounce after some hard selling over the last couple days. I think one of the things that helped contribute to this bounce is the weather outlook when you look out in the 6 to 10 and even out to the 14-day forecast. It looks as though it's going to be a lot colder. There's some potential here for temperatures to drop below zero, and that could affect a lot of that winter wheat that's been planted here. It doesn't look like there's a lot of precipitation in the forecast to provide that blanket of snow to insulate the crop here. So there is a little bit more of a risk. I think this could have helped move the market a little bit higher, but I don't think this is a reason for any kind of a recovery.
Yeah, at this time of year in December, you know, we can point to weather maps, but the end result really is weather in December has very little impact on final yields.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So,
now, we did have the Hogs and Pigs report come out. Now, how did that affect the market?
Well, that was after the close, so it'll be interesting to see how that transpires in the next trade session. But it was actually a fairly larger than expected hog and pig inventory number. We were looking for a 1.5% increase over last year by analyst estimates, but we actually came in 2% higher. So bigger inventory than what was expected. That is negative, obviously, for the price of hogs, but somewhat supportive for the price of corn and meal, because obviously those are the key ingredients going in to feed that livestock sector.
That sounds fair. So do you think that this could, I mean, what's your time horizon? Do you think this could affect positively the trade next week, or do you think this is more
I think it'll have a fairly muted impact. You know, corn and soybeans will need to see changes in feed use before we get real excited, and so I don't think it's going to have an immediate bounce. It was, you know, above expectations in terms of the number of hogs, but I don't think it's going to have a huge repercussion in terms of trading on the next trading session Wednesday, especially with a Christmas Eve session.
Well, that sounds fair enough, guys. Thanks a lot for tuning in. If you have any questions about what we talked about today, give us a call. The number is 877-472-4607. And again, happy holidays, Merry Christmas out there. We'll see you tomorrow.